I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to rename a voicemail greeting in Google Voice. Step 1. Open the Google Voice app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device, and then tap the menu icon on this screen. Step 2. Tap Settings in this menu. Step 3. Scroll down this menu to the Voicemail section, and then tap Voicemail Greeting. The next screen shows you a list of your available Google Voice voicemail greetings. Step 4. Find the voicemail greeting that you want to rename, tap the vertical ellipses associated with that voicemail to open a menu, and then tap Rename. A window opens where you can change the name of the Google Voice voicemail greeting. Step 5. Enter what you want to be the new name for this voicemail greeting, and then tap Save. The name for that voicemail greeting will be changed immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.